In this video, you'll learn how to highlight text in Notion. By the end of this guide, you will be able to effectively use highlighting to emphasize important information in your notes or documents. Start by navigating to Notion and signing into your account. Once logged in, open the page that contains the text you wish to highlight. It is important to ensure you are in editing mode, as this allows you to modify the text. Select the specific text that you want to highlight. After making your selection, wait for the formatting toolbar to appear at the top of the page. This toolbar provides the necessary options for text formatting. Next, look for the color option in the formatting toolbar. Clicking this will reveal a list of available colors. From this list, choose a background color that you would like to apply to your selected text. Once you select a color, the highlight will be applied instantly. Afterward, take a moment to review the readability of the highlighted text to ensure it remains clear and understandable. It is advisable to avoid excessive use of highlights, as this can diminish their effectiveness. After highlighting, you may decide to adjust or remove the highlight if needed. To do this, select the highlighted text again, open the color menu from the formatting toolbar. If you want to remove the highlight, choose the default color option. This action will revert the text back to its original state without any background color. Maintaining consistent formatting throughout your page is crucial for clarity and professionalism. Finally, review the page to ensure that the highlighting serves its intended purpose. Check that the highlighted text stands out appropriately and that the overall layout remains coherent. This step finalizes your formatting and ensures that your document is visually appealing and easy to read. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.